This is a student response system where student can participate in a quiz of objective test, and each question has four options which response will be submitted by using these remote systems. Let's get started. If you connect the HDMI cable with controller and screen, quiz window will automatically open and you can start the test. Otherwise, you can also follow the shown process. By using this method, you can start the test in multiple wireless devices. Make sure you connect the Wi-Fi network, which is Tech Warmup, then go to the web address, which is shown here 10.42.0.1/quiz. So this is our quiz dashboard. Here, teacher needs to pay attention. First, we need to create a quiz with questions. So go to the login and enter the credentials. So go to add test, create a test. So first of all, write down the name of your topic, select question type to manual and how many questions you want. So you have to enter there. I have written there 5. So 5 questions will be written by me. First thing is question, second thing you can see that is option 1, 2 and 3, and at the last I have written the answer of each question. So similarly, I will fill all the questions. At the end, I can also summarize by giving any description to this test about what is this test, what it test refers to, etc. etc. After that, I can also choose the thumbnail for this particular topic. So it is 3D printer test, so I have selected a 3D printed image. So here something like this is prepared. And if you go inside, you can see all the questions you just prepared. You can also edit it from this section, and you can also add study materials. Make sure your video or any file must be below than 50 MB, 50 megabytes. You can see the video is perfectly working. You can upload videos, PDF and JPG images. You cannot enter any PPT, so better you convert your PPT file into PDF file. I can also select multiple files which I want to upload, so maximum limit is 6, and make sure you upload the videos or any file must be less than 50 megabytes. All the file which I have just uploaded is showing here on the control panel, admin panel side. I can delete it or edit whatever I want. So here the test preparation part ends, and now anyone can participate in test quiz. By clicking on explore topic, student can learn about the topic by our uploaded materials. After then we can start the quiz. Click on start test, select the number of participants as per available response system or remote. I have just entered the roll number, the name and the class and the device. Each device contains its name, device 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, filling the second participant name and starting the test. Pay attention to this clip.
स्टार्ट क्विज में जाना है. अब क्वेश्चन आएगा. क्वेश्चन आने के बाद इन तीनों पे मान लो पहले अंशु ने किया, यहाँ से आवाज़ है रिस्पॉन्स का, दूसरा इसने किया और तीसरा थर्ड पार्टिसिपेंट ने किया. ये होने के बाद क्वेश्चन थोड़े टाइम के बाद चेंज हो जाएगा तीनों रिस्पॉन्स आने के बाद. सारे क्वेश्चंस ख़त्म होने के बाद थैंक यू फॉर योर रिस्पॉन्स आएगा. उसके बाद आपको क्विज़ रिस्टार्ट करें तो आप रिस्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, और जो रिपोर्ट देखना है तो यहाँ से आप रिपोर्ट देख सकते हैं.
This is how you can use the student response system made by Tech Warmup. You can see the result of participant student. Now you can repeat the process and start the test again and again. Thank you for watching.